Prepositions. We call a preposition as a possession word. It shows the relationship between a noun, pronoun, and another word in the sentence. Let us look at some examples. Where is my puppy? In the house, on the house, under the house, behind the house, near the house, away from the house. Hello students. Today we are going to learn about prepositions. So, preposition means what? Preposition means it will tell the position of a word, okay, or a sentence. It shows the relationship also. Preposition means is a possession word. It is a possession word. It will shows the relationship between noun, pronoun and another word in the sentence. Okay. See for example, in the house. So, where is the dog? It is in. It will tell the position. No. See next. Where is the puppy here? On the house. On means at the top. See, on the house. Here, in the house. So it will tell the position of a noun. Okay. Under the house. It is under. Under the house. Here, under preposition. Like that. Okay. Hope you understand. Now let's start writing the textbook part. Now, exercise A. See here. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. So, we have to look at this picture and complete the sentences. The cup is dash the teapot. So, where is the cup? Yes, here see it is a teapot. So, the cup is under, above, below, on or in. See, position tell. Yes, it is on. No, on the teapot. So right here on, on. The remote is dash from the TV. See, the remote. Where is the remote? See here, maybe this is or this. Yes, this is the remote. Okay, so the remote is dash from the TV. So what is the answer? Away. A-W-A-Y. Away. The book is dash to the carpet. Where is the book? Here. No. So near to the carpet. N-E-A-R. Near. The window is dash the sofa. Where is the window? Yes, the window is what? Yes, you are correct. The window is behind. See? Behind the sofa. So write the spelling of behind. B-H-I-N-D. Behind. The CD player is dash the TV. See where is the CD player? The CD player is where? Yes, tell students. Under. No, under. CD player is, see here, under the TV. U-N-D-E-R. Under. The laptop computer is dash the sofa. Where is the laptop computer? See here. Yes, it is on the sofa, right? O-N. On. Okay. Circle the prepositions in these sentences. The ball is on the bed. So we have to circle the prepositions. So what is the preposition here? On. Circle it. The coin is in the purse. So preposition is in. Circle it. I am studying under the bridge. Sorry, standing. I am standing under the bridge. So what is the preposition here? Yes, under. Circle it. Next, we take a bath in the afternoon. Preposition is in. Circle it. And next one, number 5. The pillow is on the bed. So preposition is on. Circle it. The broom is behind the door. So what is the preposition here? Behind. Circle. The cat is under the tree. So preposition is under. Circle it. Pick the correct prepositions. We put jam on or in bread. Yes. We put the jam on the bread. Right? So we have to give tick mark. Okay? Don't circle. We have to give tick mark. She is near or under the river. She is near the river, right? He swims in or behind water. Say, she swims in or behind water. Yes, in, no? Circle in. The rat ran into or on the hole. The rat ran, dashed the hole. So what is the answer? See? The rat ran into. Give tick mark. I sit next to dash or Sita. I sit next to or over. What is the answer, students? Yes, to Sita. Next to Sita. Fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. The apple is dash the bag. The apple is in the bag. The bird sat dash the branch. Say, the bird sat on. I hid dash the table. I hid dash the table. Under. I hid under the table. U-N-D-E-R. Under. And here we are selecting, okay? I sit dash Mohan in class. I sit, yes, behind. B-H-I-N-D, behind. Next, spread the cloth, dash the table. Spread the cloth, dash, yes, over. O-V-E-R, over. Okay, students, hope you all understand about preposition. It will tell the position of a noun, pronoun, and all. Okay, so hope you all understand and have a nice day, students.